Hello friends, today my topic is about trigonometric functions. Trigonometric trigonometric functions. Okay guys, functions. Okay friends, first of all let us take an right angle triangle. Let's name them first of all. It's an A, B, C. Okay, here it will be 90 degrees. Here let's take an theta, angle theta, and then here let's write down hypotenuse side, and then this side as usual opposite side, and this side it's an adjacent side. Okay guys, now let's know some of the trigonometric functions. There are 6 trigonometric ratios. Okay guys, there are 6 ratios. First one is sine theta, sine theta, or you can write sine A. Sine theta means as usual opposite by hypotenuse side. Okay, opposite by hypotenuse guys. Second one is cos theta, and then here now cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. And then third one is tan theta. Tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay guys, tan theta is equals to opposite side by adjacent side. Okay guys, and then fourth one is cot theta. Cot theta means adjacent side by opposite side. It's reciprocal to tan theta. It's nothing but adjacent side by opposite guys, adjacent by opposite. And then fifth one is secant theta. Secant theta also can be written as secant A, nothing but hypotenuse by adjacent side, hypotenuse by adjacent. And then guys, last but not least, it's none other than cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is reciprocal to sin theta, and then it's nothing but hypotenuse by opposite side, hypotenuse by opposite side guys. Now sin theta can be written as CB by CA. Okay guys, again cos theta can be written as BA by CA. Again, last but not least, tan theta. Because why I said last but not least means from here onwards each and everyone we are gonna reverse the characters. Okay guys, means reciprocals are there for them. And then now for tan theta also can be written as tan A guys, opposite side means CB by BA guys. Okay, now tan theta, it's reciprocal for tan theta is cot theta. For cos theta reciprocal is, for cos theta reciprocal reciprocal. For cos theta, reciprocal is secant theta, and then for sin theta, reciprocal is reciprocal theta. For sin theta, reciprocal is cosecant theta, guys. For cosecant theta, so here from here onwards, what's the reciprocal for cot theta is tan theta, right? Now here we get BA by CB, guys. Reciprocal means nothing, we're gonna reverse the characters, okay? Again, for secant theta, reciprocal is cos theta, so it's CA by BA. And then now for cosecant theta, reciprocal is sin theta, and then now here we wanna get CA by CB, guys, okay? Here we know the 6 ratios and we know the reciprocals for them. So now first of all let us take 4 quadrants like this, and this one is quadrant 1, this one is quadrant 2, and then this one is quadrant 3, and then again here this one is quadrant 4. Now let me name the 4 quadrants as you guys can remember, as better as than ever. All silver tea cups, guys. Once again remember the name, I'm gonna write here all silver tea cups, guys, okay? In first quadrant all the 6 ratios are positive, guys. All the 6 ratios are positive. And then in the second quadrant sin theta and cosecant theta are positive, okay? And in third quadrant, and these both are positive, remaining all are negative, guys. I think that camera is gonna blur for you. Is it, guys? Okay, now and then now for except sin theta and cosecant theta, remaining all are negative. Remaining all are negative. And then here for tan theta and cot theta are positive, remaining all are negative, okay, guys. And then now here for curves, here cos theta and secant theta are positive, remaining all are negative, guys. From here 0 greater than, from here 0 to 90 degrees, guys, okay. And then here 90 to 180 degrees, from here 180 to 270, here 270 to 360, guys, okay. Quadrants is all are okay, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel, and then in the next video I'm gonna explain the trigonometric ratios, that means angles which are 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, okay, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.